guys, it's Rose. Welcome back to another video. So in today's video, it's bonfire night, and my dog does not like bonfire night. That's why we haven't bought fireworks this year. We only have sparklers, which don't make that much noise. So it is dark right now. That's probably why my lighting's not very good. I've tried, and this is the best one that I've gotten so far. So I'm going to show you a little bit. I'm going to show you some clips of some fireworks